Hello everyone, welcome to Weekly Ad Circular Channel. Today we have great deals with Aldi in-store ads. Prices valid on December 26 to first day of January. Don't miss these deals. Let's get started. Crane Pedal Exerciser, $29.99. Crane 30-pound kettlebell set, $24.99. Crane Ladies Ultra Coverage Support Bra, $9.99. Crane Ladies Yoga Pants, $14.99. Crane Ladies Memory Foam Walking Shoes, $12.99. Crane Acupressure Mat and Pillow Set, $16.99. Crane Folding Fitness Mat, $29.99. Crane 5-Level Resistance Tube Set, $12.99. Crane Massager, Ab Mat, Posture Trainer or Push-Up Handles, $9.99. Crane Fitness Massage Gun, $59.99. Crane LED Headlamp or Chest Light, $9.99. Welby Adjustable Joint Support, $5.99. Crane Ladies Pullover, $14.99. Sterilite 64-quart Christmas Latching Box, $9.99. Huntington Home 3-pack Holiday Light Reels, $8.99. Huntington Home 12-drawer Rolling Cart, $49.99. Huntington Home Christmas Tree Storage Bag, $29.99. Huntington Home Slide-Out Cabinet Organizer, $29.99. Huntington Home Leaf Laundry Basket, $7.99. Huntington Home Leaf Laundry Hamper, $12.99. Huntington Home 10.5-gallon Stainless Steel Trash Can, $34.99. Huntington Home Premium Pantry Basket, $8.99. Crofton Prep & Go Jar, $4.99. Crofton 3-pack Rotating Lock Container Set, $12.99. Huntington Home Bamboo Kitchen Organizer, $8.99. Crofton Egg Poacher, $12.99. Butcher Van Gourmet Fresh USDA Choice Seasoned Chuck Roast, $5.99 per pound. Fresh 90/10 ground turkey, $6.99. Specially selected fresh Wagyu 75% lean ground beef, $4.29. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and for more videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.